Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this simple hat. It is a beanie, or you call it a winter hat. The measurement I am using in this video will be suitable for kids between 5 to 7 or 8 years old, but I'll be leaving the measurements for adults on the screen. So if this is something you'd like to see, let's get to it. Here I have drawn a rectangle and the dimension is 9 inches by 5.5 inches. This is the average height for a kid, that is 9 inches. Then for the width, you can get this by measuring around the head of your client or yourself. That is the head circumference divided by 4. So the head circumference I'm working with is 22 divided by 4. That gives me 5.5. So I have 9 inches by 5.5. 9 inches by 5.5. This is the rectangle. Now this is the base of what we are working with. To continue, from the top left corner, you measure down 2.5 inches. And at the top here, you measure 1 inch. Then you connect the line. Now at the top right corner, you come in by 2.75 inches. That is on an angle of 45 degrees. And then you connect here to here to here. You can connect 2 first if the 3 will not go smoothly. Okay. Now this is our pattern. So here's the fabric I'll be using. I'll be using a fleece fabric. If you look at the fleece fabric, you see this is the stretchy part. There are 2 sides. You have the stretchy part and you have the non-stretchy part. So this stretchy part will be the one, will be the side we'll be using for the head circumference. Okay? Now to fold your fabric, you fold this way. This is the stretchy part. And then you fold here as well. Now I have 2 parts on fold. Here is completely on fold and this place is completely on fold. Now I'll put my pattern on it. Here it is. So when I'm cutting, this part will be on fold. Then this part will also be cut on fold. Ensure it aligns well and then you cut. So I'll be cutting 2 of this. I have 2 of this now. The first thing I'm going to do is to fold it this way, right side facing. Then I'll sew here like a dot. I'll sew with about 0.25 inch seam allowance. I've sewn both of them. So you see this part, you just have to notch it, open it up. Now open both of them up. This is the right side and this is the right side as well. Place them on top of each other, ensuring that this area match. You can pin it all around and then you sew with a 0.5 inch seam allowance. Ensure that when you're sewing, don't pull the fabric. I am going to start sewing from here, 0.5 inch all around, and I'll stop here. So this is about a 3-inch space that I'm going to leave to turn the fabric inside out. So I have sewn it and then I have the space. You can also trim it around to avoid it being bulky on the inside. Turn it to the right side of the fabric. And then you unstitch here to close it up. Use a matching thread. After doing this, get the midpoint and fold the fabric into two like this. Now you see the heart has formed. As you can see, you see that the seam lines are well aligned. So this is the result I want you to get as well. Now the last thing I will do is to stitch in the ditch here. I'll stitch just on the seam line here and here as well. Okay, and if you like, you can also sew around the edge, okay, just to stabilize it, but I think I want it this way. So I'll stitch here and here, and here is your beanie. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe and drop a comment. See you next time. Bye.